Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to another video, my friends. In this video we are going to talk about the Cardano Ada big news. Absolutely, my friends, this video is very important, very special for all of you. Keep watch this video complete and never miss any second of this video. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. You know what, my friends, now the Cardano Ada again crashed in the market. The latest last 1 hour changes open the Cardano is negative. Negative 2.52%, the price decrease, and the last 24 hours price is also decrease. Negative 7.07%, the price of the Cardano Ada decrease in the last 24 hours. The previous time changes open the Cardano is good. You can see here that the last 1 week, the previous last 1 week changes of the Cardano is 17.39% positive. And my friends, furthermore, if we talk about the USD dollar price of the Cardano, there's 1.24 is the USD dollar price of the Cardano. In other side, you can see the BTC price of the Cardano is here. Market cap, 24 hours trading volume, available supply, total supply of the Cardano. Every update is present here. My friends, you know what? I think that is a temporary farce. If you look the price chart of the Cardano, so absolutely, my friends, the Cardano going very good. My friends, personally, I really like the moves of the Cardano. Absolutely, my friends. Every day I found that Cardano pump. Every day, my friends. But from the yesterday, as I show you that the last 1 day changes of the Cardano is negative. So from the yesterday, the price falls down. You can see from this point. From this point, the Cardano fall starts, and still the price is falling mood. But my friends, hope the price will very soon become positive and they give you profit, not loss. But my friends, don't worry if the price falls down. So don't worry. That's not mean then you decide to sell. No, my friends, never decide to sell. Never decide to sell, my friends. Just hold it. Absolutely, if you hold, so you will never lose in a cryptocurrencies market. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this big news of the Cardano Ada. Subscribe channel for more news and updates video.